Hi, this is Dwayne, developer advocate at GitGuardian. I'm here to tell you about a couple updates we've just made to the GitGuardian VS Code extension. If you're not familiar with this extension, this works across any VS Code compliant editor like Cursor or Windsurf or Claude, and will, upon saving a file, tell you if you have a secret there or not. Very handy if you're debugging or just testing things and need a gentle reminder that, hey, you shouldn't hard code secrets. So let's go take a look at these updates. There's two specifically that I'm excited about here in the release notes. The first one is that we have updated the ggshield version under the hood up to 1.51, which is a really cool release. I'll put a link to a video about that in the description below, and you can go find out why you should be using ggshield. But the new feature we've just added is over in the primary sidebar. We will now show you a list of all of the findings from the VS Code extension. So let's go see this in action. So here I am inside of VS Code, and you can see I do have the extension installed. I'm going to go try to hard code a secret really quick. And upon saving this, I'll go ahead and do it this way so you can see that I'm actually saving it. And just like that, GitGuardian finds the secret. Now, what we've always had is the problems panel will show you exactly what's going on. And if you hover over the actual secret with annotations in VS Code, we'll tell you exactly what the problem is. Now, if you click on the GitGuardian logo that should appear in your primary sidebar, you now get a list view of all of your issues. So if you're changing multiple files across the project, it's a really quick way to see exactly what you need to fix before you do that git add and git commit. And just to show you this does work across editors, here I am in Cursor, and you can see it works just the same. So if you haven't already installed our VS Code extension, we invite you to do so and help fight secret sprawl. If you already have been using an earlier version of our VS Code extension, it might be a good idea to uninstall and reinstall just to make sure that you're using the correct version in your editor. Thanks so much for watching and stay safe out there.